How to change email address on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I am up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change your email address on Instagram. For that, you will have to open your Instagram application on your device. Once you reach this home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom. You will reach to your profile page. Here, click on that three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy from this menu. Here, click on Account Center. Once you click on Account Center, you will reach to this page where you will see personal details below password and security under account setting. Click on it. Click on Contact Info. You will find the email and phone number if you have added them here. Now, to change the email address, you will notice that there is no change button or change option here. You will have to enter a new email address here and the Instagram will delete your old email. For that, click on Add New Contact. Here, select Add Email option. Then enter your email address here. After entering your email address, below choose the account. Here it says adding this email will replace the previous email of yours on this Instagram account. So now click on Next to proceed. A confirmation code will be sent to your email. After entering the code, click on the Next button. Wait for a while and you have successfully changed your email address on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.